and welcome to MaxLeases training. Your community has emergency maintenance dispatch services through the RentPath Contact Center. The contact center agents will call your team in the event of an emergency. To control who is contacted, please complete the following steps. To begin, go to maxleases.com and enter your login information. Once you log into MaxLeases, you will be brought to your community dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, click on Update Maintenance Contacts, and you will now be in the maintenance section of MaxLeases. The two tabs we will focus on are the Contacts tab that you are on, and also the On-Call Calendar. We are first going to click on Add Contact. Select the type of contact you wish to add. You can enter a courtesy patrol contact or a maintenance contact. And then fill in the information for your contact. If you choose to opt into texting, please read the warning message that pops up before enabling this feature. Click Save, and now you have added a contact to MaxLeases. However, your contact will not be called until you place them on the on-call calendar. Click on View Calendar. Select a date and time you want your contact to be called. If you want them to be called on Thursday at 9 a.m., click on the screen, select the time, click on the plus button next to your contact's name, click Save, and now your contact will be called on Thursday at 9 a.m. If you would like to add additional contacts, you can go back to the Contact section, click Add Contact, and enter your additional contacts information. Once you enter their information, go back to the on-call calendar. You can update your existing order by selecting the current date and time. Click on the plus button next to their name. If you would like to change their order, you can click on the name and drag it to the location they should be called in. Click Save. And now you have just updated your existing order. If you would like to update the order for the future, you can click on the forward arrow up at the top of your screen. Select a new date and time. Let's say Tuesday starting at 7 a.m. You want name 1 to be called first and then name 2. Click Save, and you can see when the color changes, that is when your order will change. If you have any questions or if you would like to speak with an account manager, please click on the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and submit a ticket to our support team.